move forward to our next guest, our national awardee, Divya Sharma. Hi Divya.
Hi Pulkit.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ रहा है?
बहुत.
Okay. तो दिव्या आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है मेरी तरफ से.
Yeah.
आप कॉर्पोरेट में बहुत साल से काम कर रही हैं.
Yes.
I know and बताना चाहूँगा that मैं से क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगा. Have you ever faced the kind of discrimination?
Yeah.
In the corporate world, in work, कभी आप फेस किया है?
See, I am in corporate sector as you mentioned. Okay, so I am into corporate writing for more than 7 years now. So initially I was, there have been different times when I have faced discrimination on the basis not because of my work but because of the disability. And initially I was working with a company, but then the employers were not aware of inclusion, accessibility, screen reader softwares for visually impaired people like us. So I was working with a US company, and they said after working with them for 9 or 10 months, they said, Divya, you are so good at your work, but this specific project is not accessible, our platform is not accessible, so you have to put your papers, means you have to resign. So that was the time, I think 5 years back. So then I decided, listen Divya, this is time that you should not keep all your eggs in the same basket and diversify. So since then I have been into, I have independent clients in India, US and UAE. So I have been associated with them. The point is, discrimination is there at every level. But when you are working, make sure that you not just earn money, but make your employer or whoever is hiring you, tell them, aware them, sensitize them. That is the only key. And there should not be, inclusive tokenism. There has to be skills, abilities, and no sympathy and no discrimination. That is something I have been facing, but I have been advocating, pure skills and no discrimination. So yes, Pulkit.
Thank you so much. Divya, that was wonderful.
Thank you.
And hot from your side. And my last question, आपके लिए यही होगा. Any message you want to give to the society from this platform?
See, the only message is first acceptance has to be there. No matter if you have what kind of disability you have, it hardly matters. There has to be acceptance. And once you have accepted your disability, sky is the limit. And the second message is engage. The more you engage, the more you evolve. Because I belong to a very small city. And today Thank you. So today the point is, if I can be here from a small city in Yanangal in Punjab, and now I'm into different. No, I'm not just a writer. I'm martial art. I have 5 belts in karate. So the point is, when you evolve and when you engage, you evolve automatically. So you have to keep on learning, keep on networking, no matter online, offline. So that is the only message, not just for persons with disabilities, but without disabilities also. Keep engaging and you will evolve. Thank you so much.
Wow. Jordan Tanya, Divya, thank you for your wonderful time. Thank you so much. And let's